Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel Seun'Sonlinehustle. It's awesome having you here today. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to do simple tasks online and make money. How to make money doing simple tasks. So all I just need you to do is to follow me closely, pay attention to details and take action. And make sure you don't implement everything I'll be teaching you immediately. Make sure you are done with the video before you start implementing everything I'll be teaching you today. And if you are new to this channel, I'm Seun'Sonlinehustle. I teach people how to make money online in this channel. All you just need to do is to stay connected with me by clicking the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, give this video a like, and also always leave your opinion in the comment section. So by doing that, you can connect with me. And if you want to connect with me in person, you can do well to go to the description box and locate my WhatsApp link, then send me a message on WhatsApp. I will respond to your message anytime, any day. So I'll be going to my phone screen and showing you step by step how to start doing simple tasks online to make money for yourself. You can make within in a day. If you are serious with it, you can make as low as $10. And you can make more if you are serious with it, if you take action. So that's that about that. Anybody can do this, whether you're a student, you're a stay-at-home mom, you have a job, you don't have a job. Anybody can do this. All you just need to do is to pay attention to details and follow every instruction. Then come to my screen, guys. I said I'll be showing you how to make money online doing simple tasks. In this video, I'll be showing you using this website. This website, LightGPT, is a website you'll be using to make money online. Just clicking on website, just clicking on ads. So that's all you just need to do. You'll find in the description box the link to locate the site. Make sure you use the link to locate the site. And it is very, very simple to make money using the site if you follow every instruction I'll be giving you. Make sure you don't skip this video or you don't implement everything I'll be teaching you immediately. Make sure you complete this video, then you implement. I don't want to make this video very long. I already have an account with LightGPT. So all you just need to do is to click on the link in the description box to take you to this page. Then that's the registration form. You put in your username, you put in your email, you put in your password, you confirm your password. Referral is going to be there automatically. And again, you can see this aspect verification. Click or touch the flag. You can see the flag is very, very important. You click on the flag and you can see the other part. The last part there, you can see the terms of service, and you can see the private notice. Those two parts is very important. You click them also. Then you click on register. When you click on register, they will send you an email. And before that, take note of this. You can only create one account. You can't create multiple accounts. You can see this. Just only one account. You can't create multiple accounts. So you go to your email. After you click on register, you go to your email to confirm your registration or to activate your registration. Okay, I have an account already. So I'm just give me some. So this is the kind of email you're going to get. You just click on the link, then it activates your account for you. It takes you to the login page. But I already have an account, so I don't need to do this. So after clicking it, sometimes it will show operation unsuccessful. When it shows unsuccessful, it is successful already. Don't stress yourself. Just click on return to home page. After clicking on return to home page, you click on login. Click on login. You put in your login details. Make sure the verification, you follow the instruction. It asks me to touch the leaf. So this is the leaf. And I click on login. Then I click on login. So while it is loading, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell notification, and always give our video a thumb up. Give this video a thumb up. So you can see that's finished loading. Click on close here. I advise you, if you're using your smartphone, make sure you're using the desktop site, so it can be more easier for you to navigate. You can see it's more okay like this. So we can see the page. This is the website we are using. You can see it's very, very beautiful. The UI UX designer is very good. I love the design and the graphics, and the color combinations on the site. You can see, okay, let me zoom. You can see just today, I didn't do this for long, though the amount here is just very, very little. I've made 405 405 cents, 0.00405 cent. Yeah, so let me just, okay, you can see here my name and every, so we want to make money here. That's why we are here. So how are we going to do that? You click on this aspect, earn money. We're here to earn money, so you click on earn money, click on it. You see the drop down. In the first thing you see is PTC. And you click on PTC. Click on PTC, you allow it to load. Allow it to load. So you want to make money, like I said. So these are the ads that will make you money, that will give you money. See them here. These are the ads that will give you money. So you can see these ones. They are, let me say, they are feed out. Those are the one I've clicked. Those are the one I clicked to make the amount you see in my dashboard now. Take note of the amount in my dashboard. I have 0.00405 cents. So now, how can you make money with this? You have to click one of these ads that are yet to be clicked. You can see underneath it, I'll be paid 0.00090 cents. Why will I be paid that? I'll click on the ad and wait on the site for 30 seconds. Then I'll be paid. How will I do that? Click on this. Click on it. It loads another page. You allow it to load. It takes time. You scroll up. You scroll up to this place where you see start 1/2. You click on this place. Make sure you scroll up till you get to this place. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, it opens another page again. Wait for it. So it takes you to YouTube. You can see this advertisement takes you to YouTube. But we don't need this. Come back to the web page. Okay, let me go back to YouTube and I'll stay there for some time. Okay, this YouTube video has been removed for violating the YouTube policy and spammed it. Okay, but that shouldn't stop us from making our money. Okay, thank God we came across this. Let's go and click on another ad. Normally, it shouldn't be giving us that. Okay, let me follow this. I'll click on the next one here. Allow it to load. Okay, click on start. Very good. So you see this? It's brought us here. So when this one is loaded already, and it's downloaded, you come back to this site. You can see it's already done 100%. So I want to receive my money now. It asks me to touch the graph. Asks me to touch the graph. You can see this here. Touch the graph. So this is the graph here. I have to touch the graph. Then I click on send. That's the graph. Then I click on send. You can see you have been credited with 0.0073 cent. 0.00073 cent. Then I close. come back here, I close this. This one refused to pay us because of the YouTube video has been brought down. If the YouTube video has not been brought down, they will pay us, but let's forget them. Let's click another one again to show you. Go Twitter. I don't want to go Twitter because we are using VPN and my VPN is not on. I don't use VPN to load to use the site, and I would advise you don't use VPN also. So I'm avoiding that. I'm avoiding this ad here because it says go Twitter, so I don't want to go Twitter. Okay, but maybe click this. Reached. So you give it a little time to load. Can see. Click on start to open another page. Make sure this page is fully loaded before you go back. Okay, you can see it has opened already, and I come back here. So this showing me already. Okay, click on the sunglasses, the sunglass. Then I'm paid already. I close. Come here, I close. Remember the amount we had when I just opened this. I have 402 or 4 something. We'll go back and check now to go and see how much we have now, how much we have made, if we are really making the money. So this is the last example I'll give you here. I'm very sure you understand it. Okay, click on start. Okay, this is downloading. So you come back here, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Boom. So click or touch the word. I've clicked on the word. Then send. You can see I received my money. Then I close. And I close. Boom. You can see this now. I'm going to check how much I have in my wallet now. And I reload so that I can see how much I have in my wallet. I have 405 before. 405 before. Let me just log into the account. Reload the site. You can see how much I have now. From 405, now I have 6. So I just have to be consistent with this every day. Be consistent with it. So how do you withdraw your money? You come to wallet. When you click on wallet, you click on withdraw. Here we have 2 options to withdraw. You can withdraw using your Bitcoin wallet. That is the main. You can see here Bitcoin wallet, BTC wallet, or you use a payer. I prefer you use this ATM. Yeah, I will do a video showing you how to create an ATM account. It's very easy. So you can see this. See the minimum amount you can withdraw is 0.5 cents and the maximum is $5. Then they will be reducting 2.5% from your withdrawal. So how can you add your payment details if you have any of this? It is easier to get Bitcoin wallet. Yeah, it is easier. That's the easiest way to get paid here. Because it's easy to get Bitcoin wallet. You can use Trust Wallet, you can use Binance, or any other wallet you use, blockchain, or any of them you have. So click on add new. It brings you to this page. Then any of the option you want to get your payment in, you can just put them. You can see either your Bitcoin wallet. You can put your Bitcoin wallet. If you have an ATM account already, I have an ATM account. The username is the email, your email you use to register it. You put it here. I'll do a video for that on how to create an ATM account. It's just a payment gateway that allows you receive payment and also transfer payment, safe and very quick with zero risk. And with this ATM account, you receive your payment in dollars. You can withdraw your money into your bank account, your local bank account in Nigeria or anywhere you are in the world. But again, you can also use Bitcoin if you're a crypto person. You just, when they deposit the money in your crypto wallet, you look for someone to sell it to. Then you withdraw your money out in cash, or you can just leave it there because cryptocurrency, I advise people, if you're not into cryptocurrency, you can go into cryptocurrency. I'll also be talking about cryptocurrency in this channel also, is because it's another way of making money online. So you can also leave it there and just allow it to grow, by buying more or just leave it alone there. So I also hold cryptocurrency. So these are the way you can receive your payment. Yeah. So for you to get to this website or get the link to this website, remember to check the description box. I will drop it there. I will tag it website mentioned. So when you see the word website mentioned, know that this is the website. So the name of the website is lightgpt.com. But it is more easier to navigate through the one on the link. So that's not about that. Remember to give this video a thumb up. Leave in the comments below what you think about this video. And if you want any video relating to make money online, or you have a topic you want me to discuss about, make sure you do well and leaving them in the comment below. And if you wish to connect with me, you have a question to ask me, you want to discuss an issue about making money online, I'm available. You can contact me anytime, any day. Just check the description box below and locate my WhatsApp link. Click on the link, then send me a message. Sends me a message, then I'll respond to you. So that's that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification. Enjoy.